All right, I got the Wholesaling Real Estate and Flipping Houses Bootcamp coming up. This is a 3-day event where I'm going to personally teach you how to wholesale and flip houses. I'm going to show you how to find houses online, offline, on the MLS, off the MLS, including direct to seller with motivated seller marketing and bank home properties and government entities like HUD and Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. In short, I'm going to teach you how to find the houses, and I'm going to teach you how to get them under contract and how to flip those houses to other investors for $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 profit without using any of your own cash or credit. All right, so if you're looking to get into real estate and you want a good entry point to start, learning how to wholesale is the best place to start. Learning how to find deals and flip them to other investors is the pathway to you becoming a landlord owning rentals or fixing and flipping houses or buying your first Airbnb. So if you want to learn how to wholesale and flip houses, make sure you come to my Wholesaling and Flipping Houses Bootcamp. It's a 3-day event where I'll personally teach you how to flip houses. I got a link below. I look forward to seeing you at the event.